Artificial intelligence is everywhere, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation algorithms on Netflix and YouTube. AI is shaping the way we live, work, and interact with technology. But for many people, AI still feels like a mystery. What exactly is it? How does it work? And what do all these technical terms really mean? Today, we're breaking it all down in simple terms. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your understanding, this guide will help you grasp the most essential AI concepts without getting lost in complicated jargon. Let's start with the basics. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to machines or computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes recognizing speech, understanding language, learning from data, making decisions, and even generating creative content. One of the most fundamental terms in AI is machine learning. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI that allows computers to learn from data rather than being explicitly programmed. Instead of coding specific instructions for every possible situation, machine learning enables computers to analyze patterns and improve their performance over time. Within machine learning, there are different types, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning means the AI is trained on labeled data. Imagine teaching a child how to recognize cats by showing them labeled pictures of cats and dogs. The AI learns the difference based on these examples and can then identify new images correctly. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, means the AI is given data without labels and must find patterns on its own. A good example is clustering customer data to identify different buying behaviors without being told in advance what to look for. Reinforcement learning is inspired by the way humans and animals learn through rewards and penalties. It's often used in robotics and gaming, where an AI agent takes actions, receives feedback, and improves based on rewards for successful actions. Another crucial term is neural networks. Neural networks are designed to mimic the structure of the human brain. They consist of layers of interconnected nodes, or artificial neurons, that process information in a way similar to how our brains do. Neural networks are behind many advanced AI applications, including image recognition and language translation. A deeper concept related to neural networks is deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that involves extremely complex neural networks with multiple layers. These deep networks can analyze vast amounts of data and are the foundation of powerful AI applications like self-driving cars and realistic voice synthesis. When you hear about AI creating text, images, or even music, it's likely powered by generative AI. Generative AI refers to AI models that generate new content rather than just analyzing existing data. These models, such as ChatGPT for text and DALL-E for images, have gained massive popularity for their ability to produce human-like results. A key term within AI is natural language processing, or NLP. NLP allows AI to understand and generate human language. It's the technology behind chatbots, automatic translations, and even sentiment analysis, which determines whether a piece of text is positive or negative. A fundamental part of AI decision-making is an algorithm. An algorithm is simply a set of rules or instructions a computer follows to complete a task. In AI, algorithms determine how a model processes data and makes predictions. Bias in AI is an important issue. AI models learn from data, and if that data contains biases, the AI may develop biased outputs. This is why fairness, transparency, and ethics in AI are becoming increasingly important topics in AI development. Another common term is computer vision. This refers to an AI's ability to interpret and understand images and videos. It's used in facial recognition, medical imaging, and even in self-driving cars that recognize objects on the road. Now, let's talk about AI's ability to handle complex reasoning. One approach to this is expert systems, which are AI programs designed to mimic human decision-making in specialized fields. They rely on knowledge bases and predefined rules rather than learning from data. Another fascinating AI concept is the Turing test. Proposed by Alan Turing, the Turing test determines whether an AI can exhibit behavior indistinguishable from a human. If a human cannot tell whether they're interacting with a machine or a person, the AI is said to have passed the test. Ethical AI is another growing area of concern. AI ethics refers to the principles and guidelines that ensure AI is used responsibly. Issues such as data privacy, algorithmic fairness, and the potential for AI to replace human jobs are all part of this discussion. Explainable AI is another key term. This refers to AI models designed to be transparent about how they make decisions. Instead of functioning as a black box where inputs go in and results come out without explanation, explainable AI provides insights into why a model arrived at a particular conclusion. Robotics is another closely related field. While AI is the brain, robotics is the body. AI-powered robots can perform tasks ranging from manufacturing automation to complex medical procedures. The best way to keep up with AI is to stay curious and keep learning. AI is evolving rapidly, and new breakthroughs are happening every day. By familiarizing yourself with these concepts, you're already ahead of the curve.